I saw you morning. You were very excited. Now you came out of the movie. Tell us something. What makes him such a very big superstar?
He is a super duper star. He's like God to all of us.
बढ़िया है, एक्शन सब बहुत बढ़िया है, अच्छा है मूवी।
बहुत अच्छा लगा। फर्स्ट हाफ और सेकंड हाफ दोनों अच्छा लगा है।
Direction wise कैसा?
डायरेक्शन सुपर।
Super hit, must watch.
बहुत सही, बहुत सुपर मूवी।
We are all South Indian Chennai people, but his fame is everywhere. International, national, international. Everyone knows him. You go to Japan, this movie will be a super hit. So he is not just superstar, he's God for us.
Yenna Raskala Thalai was super fantastic, amazing.
What makes him such a big superstar?
You can't explain. I think his fans make him such a big superstar because you don't see such crazy people waiting at 4:30 for his movie. I have my best friend with me, who's been like huge fan of his, and because of her we come for the movie.
What makes Rajni sir such a big star? 4 a.m. and there was a dhol, nagada. What makes him such a big star?
I mean, he's an epic in himself, right? So it's amazing. He's a real god to the fans which are following him from years. So real inspiration, and it's great to see him, and we want to see him more. So the less we get, the more we want him.
खास बात तो सेलिब्रेशन होता है यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा, बट आज बारिश होने के बावजूद इतना सेलिब्रेशन नहीं हो पाया। अभी देख रहे हो आप, आवाज़ आ रहा है पीछे बैकग्राउंड से। यहाँ पे अभी सेलिब्रेशन स्टार्ट हो गया, सो वी स्टार्ट एंजॉइंग नाउ ऑल्सो आफ्टर द मूवी ऑल्सो।
Completed 50 years. Tell us his journey during these 50 years.
I think he started with being with a very very small black and white movie at one point in time. He was picked up because of his style, and his style has carried him throughout. Even in this movie, there is so much. It's filled with all his signature styles, and that is what we all fans come to watch. I every time the movie happens, I buy the ticket first day, first show, first thing in the morning. Even if it's at 4 in the morning, I am there. So it's an amazing, amazing experience, and we watch him, and when we see him, we just feel so emotional and so happy that feeling will not come with anybody else.
ओमन अल्लाह मस्त है, एकदम
Music सब.
सब बहुत बढ़िया।
He also completed 50 years. During these 50 years, what makes him such a very big star, apart from acting and all?
His style which he's carried from years is his legacy. So I think that's the takeaway, the style.
What would you like to say about the review of the movie?
It's nice. It's 5-star rating for.
Apart from the movie, how was the direction and the BGM part?
The direction was very very good, very noir feels, so very very modern, contemporary, and brings Rajni sir out like anything. I think his fame is, there is a reason why he's so famous. Background music, Anirudh is awesome. His entry itself was a very big strong point. I'm going to listen to that song so many times. So Anirudh is amazing.
There were big collab. Hindi superstar Amir Khan, Rajnikant, the Tamil superstar, the overall superstar. How do you see this collab?
Amir Khan agreed to do this movie without even knowing what his role was. That is the power of Rajni sir. Everybody just dies to do roles with him. All these superstars are extremely fortunate to get an opportunity to work with him, and he ensures that he respects every single star who works with him, whether they are superstars or whether they are people on the set. He is absolutely humble. He's amazing, and the movie was absolutely fabulous. I have no words.
First half, second half, what was big?
Oh, there's no distinction. All is perfect. The whole movie. Each minute is great.
Shruti Hassan कैसी लग रही थी? As a daughter, how she played and how was Amir Khan?
आमिर खान वॉज वेरी अमेजिंग। इट वॉज अ वेरी बिग ट्विस्ट, बहुत सस्पेंस था मूवी में। आमिर खान जब लास्ट में आया तो वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग समथिंग बैड अबाउट हिम, बट लास्ट में ही केम विद रजनी सर।
मूवी में एक सबसे खास बात क्या है? कोई ऐसी बात जो आपको एक रहती है ना लर्निंग, इस मूवी से लर्निंग क्या है?
लर्निंग डैड एंड डॉटर का रिलेशनशिप जो था, वेरी इमोशनल प्लस सेंटीमेंट था। एट द एंड भी उन्होंने उनका डॉटर का साथ नहीं छोड़ा, बट उनके डॉटर को पता भी नहीं चला कि वो ही उनके डैड है करके। वो लास्ट में बोलती है कि क्या मैं अंकल बोलूँ आपको, तो वो एकदम इमोशनल फीलिंग था जब जाके वो डैड बोलनी चाहिए बट उसने अंकल बोला।
There is also a healthy competition with War 2. Hrithik Roshan is such a charming person, we all know. How do you see the healthy competition?
There is no competition, sir. I'll be very honest. Rajni sir is Rajni sir. He's somewhere else. There is absolutely no competition between the two movies. This movie will never be even close to what Rajni sir's movie is. This movie, you wait and watch. It is going to be a big, big super hit. Yeah.
She told me. Now you have to tell me.
Keep watching movies, keep enjoying life. Keep watching movies, keep enjoying life.